In this video, I will show you how to dropship from Shein to Shopify. So I'll show you the perfect app to do this that will help you import products and actually help you with order fulfillment as well. So first you need to have your Shopify store. If you have not yet created your account, you can claim this deal right here where you get a 3-day free trial and then 3 months of Shopify for €1, pound or dollar or whatever currency you use per month through the link down in the description. So to claim this deal, just click on the link in the description, enter your email address and click start free trial. After doing that, you will get to your Shopify store, and from here I recommend clicking apps and then click all recommended apps and then open up the Shopify app store. From here in the search bar, the app that I recommend is Shein Importer. So search for this right here and then click on this app, so Shein Importer, Shein Dropship. Now I already have it installed. For you it will say install right here. Now there's no free plan available, but they do have a 10-day free trial. Now you can get the basic plan, which is only $9.99 per month for 100 products. So just install this app, and after you install the app it will open it up automatically. So I'll just open it up right now and you will see something like this, but for you it will take you to their plans, so just start your 10-day free trial. After doing that, open up Shein and just find the product that you want to sell on Shopify. For example, if I want to sell this product right here, so this bracelet, then what I can do is just take the product link right here, then go to the Shein Importer app and click import new product right there. And from here just scroll down and here paste in the URL and then click import. Now you can see all these supported stores here. So one of them is Shein, and you can also download the Chrome extension so that you can import it from on the website itself. But just wait for the product data to load in. So after the product has imported, which could take a few minutes, you will then see that the name, the product ID, product type, all of that has been imported. Now you can change anything you want. For example, the collection, the product type, and the title, but I wouldn't change the quantity. Then here you can see the description. You can see the regular price markup, and you can just gonna set your price if you want. So right here you can set the price. You can see the brand, variants, all of that. So once you are happy and everything looks good, you can then click publish to Shopify. So now it's going to be published directly onto your Shopify store. So if I now head over to Shopify and click products, you can see that now the product shows up right here, and now people can actually order this product from my Shopify store, and the images and stuff like that have been imported along with the different colors and stuff like that. Now if I just preview this, you can see that, for example, if I change the color right here to, let's say, coffee brown, then the image right here doesn't change. So you do need to go and set that up yourself, if you want that at least. And the size and stuff like that can also be entered here. And now when people add to cart and buy it, if you have fully set up your Shopify store, then on Shein Importer, you can go to orders right here. And then right here, you will see all of your orders. Now you can see how to fulfill orders. Now you should make orders manually with your customer's address from the store you have imported the products from. So in order to actually do the order, what you can do is either go here, or what I would recommend is go to Shopify into the orders, and then here just find the orders, then go to Shein and just find the product and then click on add to cart and just order it in the color and size that they wanted it, and then just copy and paste their address, and then you will need to order it manually, because Shein Importer is not allowed to actually do the order fulfillment for you, so you will need to do that manually. But Shein Importer is still a great tool to just import products in bulk and to really quickly import products from Shein onto your Shopify store. You can see in the basic plan, you can import 100 products and monitor 10 products. So the monitoring basically means that they will check if it's still in stock and stuff like that. So you can go import the products right there, and then you can see all of your imported products. And then here you can turn on monitoring price and monitoring stock if you want. So then if it's out of stock, they will let you know. And if the price increases, they will also let you know, which is important. So now you know how to dropship from Shein to Shopify. Now again, if you want to claim this deal right here for Shopify, then go to sign up through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.